In this tutorial, we will learn how to hide and unhide any specific sheet in Excel by using VBA code. Here I have three sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Now what I want to hide sheet 2 by using VBA code. So for that what I will do, I will add one command button, and for that I will go to developer tab, and here we have insert, then from ActiveX control I will select this command button. Then I will drag a small command button here on sheet. Then right click on this command button, select properties, and in these properties, in caption, I will make it like click to hide sheet. Then I can close this window. Now I will double click on this button. So here on the click event of this command button, I will write some code, and that code, when I will press command button, will hide the sheet 2. So I will write like this workbook dot worksheets, in bracket I will give name of that sheet that I want to hide. So I want to hide sheet 2, then dot, and property that I will set using VBA code is visible equal to Excel sheet hidden. When I will press enter, all the formatting is done. Now if I minimize this VBA window, and this command button is in design mode, so I will click on design mode to come out of this design mode. Now if I click on this command button, what will happen? Then this sheet 2 will be hidden. Let me click. So we can see that sheet 2 is now hidden. Now my second task that I want to do here is unhide the sheet 2 using VBA code. For that, again I will add one more button. Then right click, properties, and caption I will say click to unhide sheet. Now I can close this window. I will double click, and this button, when I press, I want sheet 2 to be unhidden. So the code would be same till this point. So I will copy the prior code. This worksheets, and in bracket we can give name of that sheet that we want to make visible. So visual property I can change to Excel sheet visible. Let me minimize this window again, and I will click design mode again. Now if I click on this click to unhide sheet button, then we can see sheet 2 is visible now. So we have two buttons. First button, if I click, sheet 2 is being hide. When I click on second button, sheet 2 is visible. So this is how we can use VBA code on the click command button to hide and unhide sheet. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe the channel for new